Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. This is a little Wednesday pop-up video where I'm doing some of my Halloween box challenges. I had so many box challenges and I still do. So I say this as a pop-up, but I might be doing box challenges on Wednesdays for a while. So I have two in this binder. My first one is from Janelle Ray Budgets. I think it's called like Pink. I keep meaning to look it up. It's like Pink Halloween or Pink. It's a cute one. It's a digital on her Etsy. And then my other one is Haunted Candy Store Box Challenge from Danny over at Craftco Budgets. And I have $50, so it's roughly $25 a box. So I have two tins. I think that's right. So I'm going to take my cards out for Janelle's. And let's see. Let's get another pink sparkle one. These come from CC, Creationsbymuneca. I'll have her YouTube linked below if you want to go and check out her markers. I'm still blinging dice. I was going to tell you updates as I do them. I'm finishing up Cindy's and Dorothy's. They look so pretty. I've done a little bit of Alphaba tonight, and I'm going to be switching gears to the Color Dot Die and Bells. So I think I'm going to start those tonight before I go to bed. And yeah. Okay, so let's do our first card. One card. Ooh, that looks pink. We have $3 and a spider. So I think what I decided to do is I'm not going to collect the spiders anymore, and I'm not going to do the bonuses. I'm just going to save for the thing and call and that's it. And I don't know how long I'll do that. It might just be tonight. I'm not sure. So we have $3, and we're going to cross this one off. Okay. So then let's do our next card. I'm going to put it back in because it's easier to flip when it's contained. Spooky Vibes. Oh, it's right next to it. $2. It does have other things, but we are ignoring that. So 1 and 2. Okay. Wickedly Pink. I wonder if that's what the box challenge is called. I don't think it's Wickedly Pink, but it could be. Enchanted, Glamour Ghouls, Wickedly Pink. Oh, we already did it, but we just have bonuses. So I will do the bonus on this one. I'll do $5. And we are done. We finished one. Like legit finished one. All right, so we'll put $5 in here. It's already crossed off. Marshmallow Night. Look at how cute that is. Section 6. Oh, and it's Magical Marshmallow Night. Even better. So we're going to save $2. One and 2. I should probably go back to the other section and get some of those ones out. So we have 2 5s for a 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for a 5. Okay. Roll and save. All right, we are going to do a D. I don't know, maybe a D3. I found a D4 first, so we're going to do a D4. And we got a 3, so it's like a D3. So that can go back in. I'll put 2 back and grab a 5. right, so that's $25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we still have like 10 bucks. Okay. Pinkoween treats. All right. No. Pinkoween treats, $5. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, I think we can do one more. Oh, that's a cutie pie. $5. Perfect. That's exactly what we have. Kind of glad we decided, being me, decided not to do any of the extras tonight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we are not counting this. We are going to save that. So I can stick the roll and save back in here. So again, this is from Janelle Ray Budgets. I'll have her linked below, and this is on a digital on her Etsy. Perfect. All right, now we're going to scoot to the back section. And we now have Danny at Craft Co Budgets. This is her haunted candy store. Super fun. And she does have this on her Etsy as well. Okay, these I laminated. The other ones, did I? Yeah, the other ones I laminated too, but these are a matte lamination. The other one was a gloss. So let's see. Okay, first card. Let's move these guys up. First card. Oh, she's a creepy witch. There she is, $5. We're not going to do any of the bonuses with this one either. We're just going to try to do the cards. I get purple for this one. So I will do this. Okay, next card. Roll and save. So we're going to go back here. Oops, we probably need that one again. We have a 1, which is kind of our pattern on this one. So if we got a 1, I can put 4 back and grab a 5. Okay, next one. Oh, they made the cupcakes so ghoulish. All right, so we have a purple bow and a ghost. So we have $2. They did such a good job with these box challenges. So if it's 2, I have $3. I'm going to put those back and grab a 5. All right. Another roll and save. Got another 1. It's a little weird, but okay. Oh, another little witch. $2. So 1 and 2, and then we will cross her off. I still can't believe, like, a week from Friday, it's Wednesday night, so a week from Friday is Halloween. Like, how did that happen? We have a lollipop with a hat on. Something you don't see every day. Is it that hat? Yes, it is. It's $1. And since it's only $1, I will do the witch hat for this, because I make up my own rules all the time. And then then we'll go back to the witch hat, and I made each of these $1, even if it says something else. So that one is done. All right, I'm gonna cut the deck for funsies. Oh, another cupcake. All right, we have a pumpkin hanging off and a purple bow. So that's this one. It is $5. So we'll take our last 5. All right, let's do another card. Search and save Witch's Brew. Is that a chocolate bar? It looks like chocolate. So it's $2. It does have a hat. I'm not going to do the hat this time, just in case I pull something that's $5. Being strategic. Okay, and then probably our last card. Search and save. So it's a cauldron. Cauldron. $4. And it has a hat. So guess what we're doing? We're doing the hat this time. Okay, so that's $4 goes into this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we'll do the witch hat. Oh, we almost have the section done. Then we'll go back here. And then we'll color in a little mark. And just like that, $50 is gone. Let's put our roll and saves back in here. Still have a lot of cards left. So let's go to the front. So we have our cards here. The ones that we have used, I'm putting back here. Oh my gosh, that was so fun, and that was under 15 minutes. So proud of myself. Quick little video to do some box challenges. Hashtag Porch Pumpkin is back onto where he belongs. And yeah, hope you're having a good week, and we're halfway there. We're getting to the weekend. I'm still blinging dice. Don't forget to come to my live on Thursday, which is tomorrow. I'm filming this Tuesday night. So my live starts at 5:15 Pacific in the evening or 8:15 Eastern, and it's a lot of fun. A bunch of people come by and say hi, so it's kind of cool to hang out for a little bit. I try to save and chat with everybody, so if you can, stop by tomorrow night, and if not, until next time, take care. Bye.